Yo, welcome. It's another day, another design. Welcome to my daily Canva T Shirt Design tutorial. My name is David Isamoje. I'm the owner and founder of What a T Shirt Design. If you are just joining me for the first time, I want to say thank you, but I want to let you know if you subscribe, you always get a shout out from me. So let me give out shout out to my latest subscribers. I do this as soon as as YouTube updates the subscriber count and all. I do that. I will give a shout out. So I want to give a shout out to you guys, in J, Blue Cedar, and Islam. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for subscribing. If you're just watching me for the first time and you love the fact you get a shout out, or you love the fact about my channel or content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're subscribed is in red font, make sure you click it so that it turns to the gray font subscribe button. And if you have been with me for a long time, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate you. So without wasting any much of your time, I just want to go straight right to it. To the design. So I'll open canva.com. While that is open, I just want to say please, and please, all my design have 4 stages. Please watch stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. If you don't want to watch stage 4, it's fine. But the first 3 stages are super important, so make sure you always watch those 3 stages and you will get to learn a lot. And if you're done with this video and you want to watch more, you want to keep on increasing your skills, then I have a full series on my channel which you can see. I have a full series. You can just go through and watch as much as you want, enough to go around. And please, hope you are keeping healthy, hope you are staying safe, hope you are checking on yourself and keeping proper hygiene. This is a difficult period, but we'll skate through it. I'm very sure of that. We'll all skate through it. So without wasting much of the time, let's go straight right to it and click on create. Custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. This is standard by Match by Amazon. Redbubble, Teespring, Public. Make passive income. Selling your designs online. Putting them on shirts, on mugs, on jotters, on duvets, on as many as you can, and you sell them online passively. This is very passive income, but there is a but. You have to put in the work at the beginning. So let's create a design. Let's create this design. This design is a very cool one. It's based on an hobby you guys will love. So the first stage would be to scroll down and upload. You go to shows your uploads, you click on that. Shows upload an image or video, you click on that again. Please, if you not watch my yesterday's video, make sure you do that after this video. It's a very unique video, it's a very sweet video, you want to enjoy that. So click on pictures, then I'm gonna do the green. Okay, I'm gonna bring this in. I'll just click on open. This is the first element of this design. So I'll just load that up. So while that is trying to upload, I'll go over to where I get my element called flat icon. So just click on flat icons. Wait for that to load. Remember, if you are not paying for the premium version of flat icons, please always remember to give credit to the designers. They deserve all the credit, and that's all they ask for you to give them credit. Nothing more, nothing less. Just give them credit. How do I give them credit? For me, I'm using it on my video, so definitely I'm going to give them a shout out. So always make sure you give them credit. So for this, I'm going to look for what called skate. I would have done skateboard, so I'll be specific for skating. Like to be specific. So you can see our design is still going, it's still downloading, so we'll just wait for that to load. So now we'll just find a good one. Just find a good element to use. Let's find Let's just keep scrolling. Should find something sweet. So going through, I think I like this one. So just click on this. Always remember to give credit. Always remember to give credit. It's super important. So for this, if I click on download in PNG, as you can see, by Freepik is one of this design. So thanks Freepik, I got a design, I'm using it in my design. Thank you, I really appreciate you guys. Simple credit and just click on download. If you are giving them credit on your store, make sure you just put in your description, just say something like credit to Freepik for the elements and stuff. That's all you have to do. You didn't ask for much. So I'm now gonna just go back to my element. Please make sure you stick around. Make sure you stick around. Just make sure you stick around. Now that our first element has uploaded, we just click on it once. It should appear here, as you can see. So we want to make it bigger. We just over our mouse to this edge, press on our left mouse click button and drag outwards to increase. Then now you over your mouse to the middle and just position it in the middle. You get that red line, as you can see. As you can see, that is to show we're in the middle, perfectly in the middle. So now we got that in already. The next step will be to go back to upload, then upload image and video. Then I'll go to download and bring that element I just downloaded, which is the file. This is it. You just click on it and open it. It should load here. It should load here. And once that is done loading, the next step also is to click on it again for it to appear on our Canva. Click on it for it. So let's just do that. So click on it once. As you can see, it appears on our Canva. So now I think I like the way it is. I like the way it is. So now I'll just click outside. As you can see, just click outside. Now we are almost done with the first stage. You just click on download. As you can see, we are using the free version of Canva Pro, and that does not give you the opportunity to save your design with a white background. So we just click on download and move straight to step 2. You can see your download is preparing. Once it's done preparing, it's going to download here. So once that happens, we just move over to stage 2. Stage 2 is the process by which we remove the white background so that you can put your designs on other colors of shirts. You always want to save your designs without background so that you can give people more options to choose from. You might not just know the best color they want and the right color they want, which color they really would enjoy putting on. So you just want to give them that opportunity to pick from colors. So now you can see it's downloading. Once it's done downloading, just click on it to make sure it's downloaded properly. Just to make sure it's downloaded properly. As you can see, we have it here. So now this is the stage. We're done with stage 1 and stage 2. So right click on this, your downloaded design. Go to open with Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can just find someone that has Photoshop. If you don't want to pay for Canva Pro, Canva Pro is just about $12, not super expensive. So if you don't want to pay for Canva Pro, then you can do this process that if you have Photoshop. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can just get Canva Pro. It's $12 a month. If you want a 1-month free link on me, free pro version of me, just let me know. So now we click on this folder paper, we say create a new layer. So click on that, then we'll click on layer 0, then we'll head over to this magic word tool. If you don't see it, just press down. There are 2 tools, the quick selection tool and the magic word tool. So you click on the magic word tool, it's like a magic stick, and just click on this white part. Once you click on the white part, you just delete. So you got that out of the way. Then if you check my video, I like to be super unique with my design. I like to put effects. So instead of this just appearing on black shape for every color, I just like to click on it. So once I delete that, so I have that now, I delete that, and on my skateboard, I delete that. So now what's going to happen is every shirt I put this on is going to determine the color of this skateboard. The skate guy is going to determine the color it's going to have. So now I'll just click on file, save as pictures, skate, Save it as PNG. Always remember to save it as PNG. If you don't save it as PNG, you're going to have the white background. You save it as PNG. Press OK. Please, if you are still following me, I want to say thank you. I'm really grateful. If third stage is the stage where you put it on the 3D mockup, this 3D mockup help you to promote your designs on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. You just find influencers who have page related to skateboard, skating, and all those stuff, all those fancy sports, and you just tell them you have a shirt you want to promote, and you go over and fix the price. So they will go over, they will ask you for your design. What I would advise you to do is to first upload your design to TeePublic and Redbubble so you can get a full 3D mockup with humans, as in male and female, wearing your designs. That way, increase your click-through rate and your sales rate. So now you give them that design, you guys bargain on the price where you want them to post it, and they'll post it. Make sure the page always have a high click-through rate, high engagement on the page, and you're good to go. So now let's go to the final thing. Let me show you how to do that. I'll just go to mockup, pictures, mockup. As you can see from my channel, you always know I use this particular anger mockup. You go back to my channel, you see I use the anger mockup. It's my preferred mockup, so I'll use that. So I'll just go to where it says your design, double tap, then you just delete that design, delete that. You just delete that, then bring in your design. Our design is skateboard. Skate. This is our design. Now just drag it into this free space. So you do that, just left click and drag your mouse so that it brings it into this space. If you know how to work with what we call it, Word document, you should know how to do that super easy. So now that we have, we just over amount this edge and reduce it, because obviously it's going to be super big on our shirt and we don't want that. So over your mouse to this edge, you click on three buttons, your Alt key button, your Shift up key button, and your left hand key button, and drag inward. Just drag it inward. When you do, you move your mouse from your left hand key button and your other two buttons, press enter. When you've done that, you go to file and save. Now when you go back to your shirt, it's going to appear on your shirt. As you can see, it's still quite big. So I'll go back and reduce it. Ctrl T to highlight, over my mouse to the edge, three buttons, Alt key button, Shift key button, left hand key button, and drag inward. Press enter, and now I'll click on file and save again. Now I can go back. As you can see, we have it on our shirt. So now what we have to do is just save this to file, save as picture. Save as JPEG. Just save that, and now once you save that, you can just look for influencers to market your shirt for you, and you're good to go. To your right, you see my playlist. Make sure you click on those playlists, watch some more videos, and if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop me your comment. I will reply you, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day. Bye.